implemented because, sir,
UMLA kemelim ubak Roni Viling do ulabu jingkali haying dorbar ke ikakam jong ke sorkar bentek lakam ye kitu ki kali ki bapendat ye ki hong ki ba ki Jingsawa ka bajur bah bat ka bapenwet bahai ki nong shong khamtam ha kapor menmi ha ka juk kapor ulong ru badon ki baju pelong jaka Pynher kali Shiteng Miet ha ki benta jong ka nyomer apa Shillong ka balapenwet hadu kata-katai ki pai-pa namar ke Jingsawa halor kani usembut menteri rangpa ubak senyo bahalang dhar ulakular banshim kiai kite kimat kat kum ka Motor Vehicle Act.
Section 119, subsection 2, Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 is applicable. Sir, I would like to request the Deputy Chief Minister, how will he ensure that this rule is made applicable and implemented? Because, sir, especially in our Shillong areas where huge, big vehicles apply 24 hours, 24/7, and they late at night also, around 1-2 o'clock in the morning, sir, they still honk and disturbs the sleep of all the people living near the road. So I would like to ask the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, what steps will he take to ensure that these vehicles do not even fit those honking devices beyond the permissible limit, and what measures will he take to ensure that those who violate are punished and ensure
Mr. Speaker, sir, as per the section 192, actually this section states that it's strictly prohibited to fit men all those on which are multi-horn which disturb the noise pollution. So yes, maybe not up to the mark, but all the enforcement machinery has been instructed to all the districts to restrict all this, and if found to be few vehicles to be used at horn which really disturb, which not as per the section. So as per section 1920 subsection 2, fine will be imposed as per the law, Mr. Speaker, sir. But anyway, we are trying our best. Yes, we have received few complaints about this type of horn, so we are trying our best to make sure that in future that all those multi-ton horn which disturb the noise pollution really, so our officers on the field, we are trying from the department at our level best to make sure that this multi-horn should not disturb, especially the people living near the national highway.
I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. So because noise pollution affects the health of people, and especially if these honking devices are used near the hospitals, educational institutions. So, sir, I'm very glad that the Deputy Chief Minister has given his assurance. So another thing is, though it is not related to these honking devices, now there is this practice of some of these vehicles to alter, modify these silencers or mufflers, sir. And in Upper Shillong area, some of these vehicles use that road as a racing track at 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I've received complaints from people, sir, because some of these stretches are straight, like that Banyan stretch, and affects village up to 7th mile Upper Shillong, sir. So I'd like to request the Deputy Chief Minister to ensure that these, because I believe the motor vehicle rules prohibit even altering, modifying these mufflers, silencers of vehicles, which is very prevalent, sir, among these vehicles, especially by the youth. They use that, I don't know, to get some thrill out of it, or maybe, replicate, since they cannot have racing cars, they altering these, sir. So I'd like to request the Deputy Chief Minister to ensure that these who alter, modify these mufflers or silencers of the vehicles are also, sir, prevented from doing so, sir. So I'd like to ask the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, what steps will he ensure to take to ensure that these are also prevented, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, as per this silencer modification, there is number of vehicles found on the road, because depend on the different categories of vehicles, as per Rule 1, as per Section 120 of Section 2, actually it should be for general maximum noise level for a silencer. For the light motor vehicle, it shall not be exceed 81 dB, and for the heavy vehicles should below 91 dB. It's the same thing, Mr. Speaker, sir. So the point raised by the Honourable Member is very valid. So even for this, so we are trying to monitor it, because So many vehicles are trying to modify all this, especially the silencer. It causes lots of noise. It really disturbs the citizen of the state. So very soon we'll try from our best, all the officers placed in field, to make sure all this cause noise pollution should be not disturbed within, especially just like I had a reply within this near the road.